Hello! Hi guys, welcome back to another ABC series video. And I hate to tell you that we ended up with yet another boring look. So I actually haven't done a look like this in a while, with a winged liner and kind of like super nude lip with a little bit of a gold eye. I really haven't done a look like this in a while, so I'm not mad at it. Definitely not as creative as I originally wanted to go with this letter J, but J for Julia, J for hey. What's up? What's going on? But that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this look, a little bit of skincare before, and then I'm gonna show you some stuff after that with all of the products that I currently have that start with the letter J. I tried to fit in as many as possible. I did have to throw in a couple of things that weren't part of the J family, but I hope that you guys like this look. And if you want to learn how to get it and learn about all the products that start with the letter J, then just keep on watching.
Slide into your mind so silky, up under the town.
Hello you guys, welcome to the J video. We're starting off with a pore bubble mask from JJ Young, which is I believe a K-beauty brand that I believe you can find in Ulta Beauty. I know you can find it in Harmon's Beauty Supply. I'm just going to apply it all over my face, wait for it to bubble up like this, and then we're going to spray some water on it, rub it back into our skin, and then remove it just with a damp towel. Once you've done that, I'm going to apply this really cool mask from Josie Maran. It is a mud mask. I actually ended up really liking it, and you'll see in just a second why, because it was also super weird. Yeah, wait for it to dry, and then you'll see in just a second. I'm so confused. Is this a mud mask or a peel-off mask? So I'm going to spray some water, and then I'm just going to rub it off of my face. I was so confused by this mask. It was supposed to be a mud mask, and it just dried very rubber-like, and it almost like peeled off my face. We're going to apply a Joanna Vargas serum all over my face, and then I'm taking a Julep gel sunscreen and finishing off the skincare portion for now, part of the ABC series, with a Jouer lip balm. I popped on some brows. We're jumping right into this Jouer bronzer palette, and I'm taking a fluffy brush to the crease of my eye, and this is just going to be used as our transition shade. I'm then using the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, and I'm jumping into this super pretty, I know it doesn't look pretty, but it is a very pretty color. It's a very unique color. It's like a mustardy brown, and I'm applying that to the crease, and then I'm darkening up the inner and outer corners with a dark brown. We're going to leave this center free because I'm going to apply a super pretty gold pigment right here. This is the Jessie's Girl pigment. I believe you can find Jessie's Girl at Rite Aid. I'm not sure where else, but that's where I found mine. I'm going to apply this glittery pigment onto the center of my lid and then top it off with another little pigment. And then I'm lining my eyes with a Jessie's Girl liquid liner. And unfortunately, you guys, well, first of all, as always, all the stuff is in the description. So if I say anything wrong or forget anything, it's in the description. Unfortunately, we didn't have a mascara or lashes for the J video, so I just used a Dior mascara and some House of Lashes lashes. And then we're moving on to the face. I'm using a Japanesque illuminator, and then we're topping it off with a hydrating primer from J Cat Beauty, and the train joins us again. And I guess I must have eaten because I had to wipe something off of my mouth right there. I'm using the Jouer Essential Full Coverage Foundation. It is super full coverage. You need so little, you guys. I'm mixing two together to get the shade that I want, and then I'm going to apply some of the Essential High Coverage Concealer from Jouer. This concealer is thick. When I tell you it is thick, it is thick. I'm gonna apply that in all the highlight areas, blend it out, And then Japanesque was very kind and sent over some brushes for me to use, part of the J video. So I'm just taking in illuminating powder from Cover Effects, because again, we also didn't have a powder, I'm sorry. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my face and just very lightly. And then I'm taking a cream bronzer from Jordana and I'm applying that just to bronze up my entire face, and then topping it off with that same Jouer bronzer that we used in the very beginning. Voila! This is becoming a very bronzy gold look. I'm then using a Jouer blush on the apples of my cheeks, and then I am going to use the same cream stick from Jordana, but it's an illuminating stick, and then the fan brush from Japanesque, and I'm just going to use the brush first and then use my finger to apply more of the cream highlighter, and then apply a powder highlighter from Jouer, the rose gold, and apply it in all the highlight areas of my face. I'm applying the shadows underneath my eyes, and then I'm using this, I don't want to say the name wrong, it's like Jonc Bleu, and I'm using that eyeliner in my, just to tight line my eyes, and then I jumped over to a Milk brow mascara because we had some problems with the brows. I do have some Jeffree Star Cosmetics stuff. I don't have any eyeshadow palettes. I really have been dying to get them, but I don't want to spend any money. But I just used one of the, I think it's called Dirty Money. I used that as eyeliner in the waterline. And then for lipstick, I'm so sorry that I didn't catch it all on camera, but I used a Jouer lip balm and then two J-Cat like lip paints to get the color I wanted. And then we're using a John Frieda dry shampoo to give us some volume. And now stay tuned for the end of the video. Alright guys, here is the finished look. So I have a couple more products that I want to share with you guys. I have a hair mask, I have a tanning oil, and I have a sheet mask and a lotion. So I have 4 more products I want to share with you guys, but with the order and the way things are, I have some other things that I have to film before I jump in the shower for the tanning stuff and the hair mask. So when I come back, I'm going to have no makeup on, but I may have some glitter in my hair. But I'll be back to show you the rest of the products that start with the letter J. You guys, I told you I'd come back. Whew. Hello, you guys. So I told you I'd come back with the way that everything was working. I just like couldn't do the video completely full because I wanted to make sure I got all of my makeup looks done and then go shower. So we have the John Masters Organics hair mask for normal hair with rose and apricot. I'm gonna put this in my hair because clearly it's taken a beating today and it's absolutely gross. Something else I wanted to point out to you guys or show you guys is I would have done this, but I am really, and I'm being so transparent with you, I'm so bad with self-tanners that have to be left on for like 6 to 8 hours. I really want to be able to put them on my face. I want to be able to make sure that my body matches with my face and my neck matches with my arms and my hands match with my feet. So I have the Josie Maran, how you say it? Her Live Wild and Free Argan Liquid Gold Self Tanning Oil Hydrating Natural Glow. I am eventually going to try this. We did have some, I think we had a skincare product from Josie Maran in this video, so I'm happy that we got some of her in here. I'm gonna save this, put this to the side later, but I just wanted to let you guys know that this is something that I was going to use, and my dog keeps moving around in her cage. Yeah, it's time to take her out. We will probably come back to that, but I wanted to just be so transparent with you guys because I just really am horrible at doing self-tanners. But I wanted to show it to you because it's another part of the J video. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put this mask in my hair, so hold on a second.
Okay, you have a wild imagination. I wanna see you too. Just drop a pin and then you send your love.
Alright, take my lipstick off. Ooh! Did that one stain or what? Eyelashes. Didn't pull any real ones out, that's good. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this mask in for about 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm just going to use a cleansing oil to get this off my face in the shower. And then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do just a simple sheet mask and a lotion to finish off this ABC Series J video. All right, I am back. I took a shower and I applied the Jergens Original Scent Body Moisturizer all over my body. Sorry I couldn't do that on camera for you. And our last and final step, part of the ABC Series J video, is gonna be this Joanna Vargas Twilight Face Mask.
It's getting late, you need my touch.
So I'm gonna leave this on for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and say our goodbyes.
But don't worry, I'm not trying to be your wife. Slide into your mind so silky.
All right, you guys, that is it finally for my ABC Series J video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Do not forget, my ABC Series is every single Monday and Tuesday now for the month of August and September. So get excited. We are going to finish this series finally with a bang. Thank you guys again so much for watching. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen and check out all my other videos on the side. I love you guys and I will see you soon. Bye.